name. Nobody replying. Name, email. Okay. Customer ID. You guys are with me? Debit card.
Valid.
Okay. There I'll show you magic.
Valid.
CVV. Valid. CVV.
Mobile.
Mobile. Sure. Photo. I can show you credit card photo. I'm making simple. Otherwise, it has many things. No.
Age.
Okay. Cool. Let's show this much. No? Slowly. I'll make it nice. 2, 2, 2, 3. Oh, one column is extra. No, it's fine. So what I have to do is I have to load the data, and I'm going to use X. You understand my intention? I'm not fetching data when my page is loaded. No, I don't want to do that. I want to load it later. When you want to load it later, sorry guys, you need to know my intention. What I'm going to do is I'm just creating a button. Yeah. Button, you can put it here. Load customers. Hey, if you understand my intention or not, what I'm doing, right? Up. It's looking odd over there. I'm putting my button with the label TTT यहाँ पे somewhere. Oh, that's it. Load customer. Hey, just curious to know, and I have to record it also. Let me make recording. People, do you understand? Okay. You know what I'm doing? Basically, when you click on this, then I want this data should be loaded. On click on it with Ajax. Nah? Without loading whole page. That's it. Only data will come gradually here. Nothing is going to be refresh. I hope you understand what I'm saying.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So my friend, you see the way I'm doing. Here I'm just using event on click and load customers. This is JavaScript. You know JavaScript method, how to write it? Yes. Like यहाँ पे in head you can write I got you already script, and here you can write a function. You want to check this is called or not? How you can check it? Console.log. Try, and you just open the spec. It will show you on the console, and refresh it and click on it. You see, it is working. Mister, I have to write code to fetch data from the server using Ajax, and data will come from the server. In which format? You are not replying. Hello. JSON format. What happened? If you don't reply, I can write a lot of code. Hmm. Yeah. Like here, I have to hit this URL pattern. When you hit this URL pattern, it will give me all the customer. And this URL pattern, you can hit it. Ashma, are you there?
Yes, sir.
You can hit the URL pattern like this. Can you see the JSON data?
Yes, sir.
Yep. So this JSON data, I am going to fetch it with the code client side. You need to tell me. You understand what I'm trying to tell you?
Yes, sir.
Like here, how to. This will give you the JSON data, right? This is called endpoint. This is called endpoint. Why? Because this is going to give me the raw data. How? Like in JavaScript, we have a method, fetch method. Which method?
Right.
Fetch. And here you can say, hey, fetch. Up. Sorry. You go over here. No? So when you call the fetch method, it will return some JavaScript object that is called promise, right? And in this promise, you can apply then method. Which method? Then. And this in then method, you have to pass a lambda function, or you can pass an anonymous class. What do you want to pass? An anonymous function or lambda? Choice is in your hand. Somebody saying anonymous. So let's do anonymous function. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So this is this is then internally call the this method, and response will come from the server. So you from the response, you say, hey response, I know in your body we have JSON data. So you just you know, give me the JSON data. Are you following me? Then you have to use another then method, right? In this then method, you have to again call a callback function, right? One by one. So you know, well, this is coming from server and you are reading it and passing to the next function. So actual data will come here, right? Here data is JavaScript object which is holding data is JavaScript object which holds JSON data coming from server. You guys are not replying. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
But you want whole data you want to print, Ashma? Yes. So you can print it and see. यहाँ पे. Oh, you can say, can you show me this much? दिखाता हूँ. How? But you can see this in network tab. Or you can see in the console, Ashma, because I'm printing it. Refresh it. And if I'm teaching you right, when I click it, you will see all the data. Can you see this? 4 records are coming. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Confused?
Mm,
You can see in the network also. Here you click on XHR and click on this. It will show you your call here. You see? You have to be smart, I'm telling you. You can see all the data here in preview, response, header. It will show you what request you are making. You have to do this much. You got confused or you got my point?
got it.
Uh, ooh, this data is what? Your answer should be I don't know. No. This data is coming here as a Java object as a array. So I will show you what I'll show you. I'll show you how you can iterate it. So this data is what? Array of JavaScript object, right?
Yeah.
Array of Java. I'm going to show you how to iterate the array. I'm going to Google it. For what? Access JavaScript. Okay. You can use traditional for each loop also. Traditional loop, for what you want. This is the traditional one, I'm trying to use for each loop. I don't know. Trying otherwise. Mhm. Let me try. Data dot. I think it should work. I'm trying. Data dot. And in this you can use a callback method. You know callback method? I taught you already, right?
Yeah.
Like you can pass this anonymous. I don't know you got this syntax or not. And where you can write p data. No? I'm not sure if it works. Otherwise, I can use traditional. So it is going to print data, not everything in one shot. No? Ashna, array
Yes, sir.
for each, and here I'm passing anonymous method. You know it, right?
Yes,
Anonymous
sir.
method. Yeah. It is going to print everything one by one. Where is my page? This is my page. When you click on this, wow, I right, Ashma, that is working, right? One by one. So, can I write it as a lambda also? आपको पता है? You know how lambda है? If you want to write as a lambda, you know what you have to do? Delete the function, and here you can write like this. Yes or no? Huh?
Yes.
It will work, right? So it is printing record one by one. No? That's clear to you? Yeah, it's clear. Refresh karo and you click on this. It is showing. No? Done. Anybody have any question query so far? Otherwise, it will be too late, right? You see, I'm hitting this URL, right? And which method I am using here? Get method. Ashma. Yeah, I'm not mentioning the method. So method is
Get.
get. And this URL, they will give me all the data as a JSON. No? What I need to do? Hey, a whole JSON data I have to render in this cell. No? See my style. Hey, like you see my style, right? Like here, this T body go I am giving ID. Hmm? C data. Ashma. I am saying hey T body, right? And here I am going to insert tr dynamically. No? Oh, what I'm going to do? Add tr. Can you help me? Like you see my style? This tr I will generate on the fly, right? How? Hmm. Or my table data, my table D, no TD, no, my table data, T data. Okay, Asma, you can confuse. Are you following me?
Following.
I'm going to make this tr dynamically. How? I would say tr. Hey tr, I want to add to you in this. You see the way I'm doing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'm able to add tr into it, right? Similarly, I have to add everything. Nah? See speed. Oh, sorry. Where's one? Nah? Confused? Oh. So you create how many row depend on number of record. Yes, you have to reply.
Yes, sir.
See, magic of the copy paste. I'm able to do this much. And in T data, I will have my all the row. Eventually, all the row you want to push into T body, right? By the ID. So how you can do it? Ashma, after the loop, you say, hey document dot get element by ID. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So this will give you what? Document dot get element by ID C data. You are saying it will give you the T body, right? You are saying
Yeah.
hey T by, I don't know if it will work. Inner dot, I think it will work. Inner HTML. In between, right? You see data. I want to put this my whole data. Ashma, what they said? Hey T by. In between, I want to push my data, whole my data, right? ATR, TR, TR. So so what happened now? When you click on it, everything is fine. Like I'm able to push this much row. Ashma,
Yes,
initially
sir.
it is one, and when you click on it, I'm able to push this much row. But you have to push the data as well, right?
Yeah.
Help karo Pari. How are you gonna help me? What I want to basically count also, right? So what you can do? Yes, here you have to put a number one, huh? But one should be replaced by the variable. What? Count plus plus. So you add it, right? You see funda? कैसे? This is the string and plus value, and this you can replace with count. Huh?
Okay.
Hey, what I did? Add count and make plus plus plus. So that every time it would increase by one. So what happened? Ashma, answer my question. देखिए यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 is coming. Anybody have any
Yes,
question
sir.
for? No? Similarly, अब देख, here you have to see the attribute name. Name, right? So here I can write your name first. After that, what I can do is, Ashma, I can use this single quote and plus, then plus and single quotes, right? And here what I can write in my p data, right? We have name, so you can write dot name. How I came to know? You see, my p data is pointing to this JavaScript object and name.
Yeah.
So Ashma, what you will do now? In every row, it will show you the name only. Huh?
Then why we are not using C data for the first column? CI.
Yeah, that thing clear in my mind, right? She's right. She's saying here, as we discussed, we can use CID. You are right. Nah, now it's fine. Everywhere we have CID already. So CID is coming, no? That's okay. Now we can use email, right? We can do it fast. Yep. Email. Like, if you are not doing practice, right, you will be in trouble. Debit card validity, I don't know. We have or not. So, how I can see the values? Tin 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 in this debit card. Email debit card. Next, valid. The next, CBB. The next,
Mobile.
mobile. Photo, the photo, I don't know photo. Photo you can write coming soon. We'll take care of it, okay? Last, company. Hey, it is too fast or you got it? Because you have to practice, I'm telling you. So this is the first code of JavaScript. And initially data is not here, data is not here. When you click on it, then only data is coming.
Yes.
I don't know, I made you confused or you got this much?
Can we go over all of those again once?
Here,
You,
I know
yeah.
when I make this call, and I would say, don't write this much, you write only this much. Because this would change anytime, okay? Let me try, it's working or not. Ah, this is the URL, Ashma. When you hit it, it will bring the JSON data. So, I would say this is Ajax call. And fetch method is defined where? Window. You know window? I told you in JavaScript. If you are using any method and you are not mentioning the name of it, it is coming from the window. And fetch is the latest method to load the data. So Ashma, what's not clear to you? I got this promise. Now in the real life, you will write code like this. Can you do this? Like this in one line. What I did?
Okay, so in the
Fetch.
first one, you're fetching data from the server,
Here,
then
yeah. Here I'm say it is going and fetching the data. And I say then when this method will load the data, then it will call this callback method, and this callback method, whatever data is coming response, it is reading and converting into JSON and returning it. Then it will go to the next then, right? First then is just fetching data response and converting into JSON. Second, this JSON data is going to pass into this, and then this the data is coming as a JavaScript object, right? The first one is reading data from the response body as a JSON. Second is just converting data in JavaScript object, and you are getting eventually over here. Right? Then the data I am iterating using for each loop. Or if you want, I can use traditional for loop. Choice is in your hand. Tell me.
that is fine.
Okay. Then you know it, right, Ashma?
Yes.
OTR, right? OTR, one TR, I'm storing into it. Second time, second TR, right? And in between TD, I'm filling my data, which is coming here, right? Appending it actually, right? TR blank, TR appended, then TD appended, data appended, then TD close. TD start, data close. In this way, I'm constituting a whole.
So that variable T data is actually allowing you to insert the rows
Yeah,
on line 29.
yeah.
Okay.
Actually, I am storing multiple row into it as per the loop. Suppose this loop runs 20 times, right? In this
Okay.
data, we have 20 records. So this we will have 20 TR, right? 20 TR means 20 row. Got it? So
Yes.
we have all the row here and this row, right? Whole TR. I'm saying I want to push into between this T body.
Okay.
This we don't need, no? Unnecessarily, because it is in beginning, right? Got it?
Yes, sir.
So this I'm saying, hey T body, your ID is C data, na? Document.get element by ID. This will give you T body. Inner HTML means, hey T body, your inner HTML in between. I want to push my row data. That's it. Got it, guys, or got confused?
It's clear.
Anybody have any question, query? Hmm? Magic. You guys are not replying. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Reply. Like here, I don't want company. चाहिए मेरे को. This is important. Action. And I have to make one more video here. Yeah. You know TD, right? Yes. Let's see how to refresh it. Tick. Oh, and here I want to put a button. Hey, I can put my button over here, na? And one more thing, here I'm writing single quotes. Good. Hello, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Why I'm writing
Yes,
single
sir.
quotes? Because in single quotes I can write double quotes easily. So here, Janet Jane. My button name is Jane and coming in red color. I want to make it in blue color. Then you can write over here primary. Refresh it. Oh. And when somebody click on the Jane button, I want to call open pop-up. Ashma, which method will be called when you click on it?
Open pop-up.
Open pop-up. This method is called when you click on it. So you have to write a method. Na? Function. Yes. When you get tired, let me know. I'll stop the session immediately. If you feel, oh, it's too much. So what is going to happen? Tick. Ooh, and this call. Right?
Yes, sir.
When this pop-up is open, then what you want to do? I don't know. When this pop-up is open, I want to pass this CID as a parameter, Ashma. No? So how you pass it? If you want to pass it, you have to break it, right? single quote plus plus. Now you can pass the parameter in between. Only customer ID, right?
Yes, sir.
Now benefit is it is going to take CID, right? Yeah, yeah. No? This CID, right? Yes, right. Can you see this? 1. Yeah, Ashma, it is printing 3. Oh,
Yeah.
it's working, right? My friend, I need your help. Can you help me? Yes. How you can help me? Uh, I'm going to make another Ajax call, Ashma. Why? Like here, I know if I pass my CID, I can get my whole customer data. Yes, you know?
Yes, sir.
ये call करके, right? Can I, right?
Yeah.
If you call this REST API, कैसे? Anybody help me, please? You can say you use the same style, Ashma, same code. Got it? Same. Then you are not helping me like this. This is done, na? Yeah. Confused? No. What changes, Ashma? Customer. But here you have to pass what in parameter? CID equals to this value. Which value? This parameter value. You just make it CID. Confused or you got my point?
Got.
If you pass in query param this, it will bring how many data? Only customer specific data. Yes, you know?
Yes.
In real life, nobody write window lard. In real life, everybody write in the one line, like this. Yes. Got it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So here you can here you will get how much data here? Only one customer data. Shall I show you?
Yes, sir.
You just refresh it, inspect, and the console you can see. I'm printing everything, and you click on this, it will show you customer specific data. Oh, it's not working. It's saying fetches, not a function. Why? I don't know. I did some mistake, I guess. Let's check it.
I think we need to have line number 34.
Yeah, this is mistake. I wrote this 2 times. No?
Yeah.
Now so kya hai? Refresh it. Click on this and clear this, and it will show you the specific data, Ashma. It is coming. See, only one row. Huh?
Yes, sir.
I'm able to make 2 times row call. If you understand this much, you tell me. Otherwise, other people, what's your situation?
Understand, sir.
So, guys,
I have a question
speak.
about response, method response.
Please, push on.
How is working?
Okay. See, you just think the way I'm thinking, right?
Okay.
See, like you think this much will hit your REST API server, right?
Yes.
Server will throw the data, and that data will come into the response. Understood?
Okay, so it's like we are assigning the data to response.
Yeah, response.
Very
Then
well.
you are saying, hey, response. In your body, JSON data is there. You read the JSON data and return to the other function, right? Returning JSON data to next function. You got a point? So the JSON data is converted into JavaScript object and stored into the data. Data is now holding JavaScript object. Got my point? 2 step. First response came as it is, raw data, and you are reading it and returning it JSON data. And when it comes to the next method, it is converted as a JavaScript object. Now you got the JavaScript object here. And do whatever you want to do. Right? Your data is coming like this. JSON. You should know how to use this. and this is the JSON data. Sabita, you got a point? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I got the JSON data. Right? Yeah. I'll show you how to read it. No? So basically, why I am doing all those things? No? What? What? Sabita, when you click on this, I want to open the pop-up. Allow me. No? For pop-up, I need to. You allow me pop-up. I'm going to use Bootstrap pop-up. Help me. Bootstrap for pop-up. W3 school. Actually, in here we have Madal. You see? So this is the Madal code. Allow me. This can I copy this Madal code? Here we have this much. Sabita, you got a point? Your Madal code is from here to here. Every modal has an ID. So modal code I am copying here. Here you will keep some ID. What? Credit card. Pop-up. Confused? No. I want to open this modal, right? Dummy modal. So here we have fixed code. Today you just mug a little bit. Dollar means jQuery. I will tell you tomorrow. Hash ID of the modal. Then here you can write dot method modal. And in this you can pass parameter show. So with that, what this will do? This modal ID is this, and you say modal method object modal show. Your modal will be open. Hey modal, where you are? Like you always inspect and do console. If any mistake is there, it will show you. This, and you see, I'm able to open the modal. Okay. You can modify the modal code. Customer credit card. I'm just making this modal little bit nice. And this alert, I'm going to delete it. I hate it. This job is done. Like how you want to design this modal? In this modal, I want to show the customer name. ये modal body. नहीं है कुछ. So what we can do is, hey, you know span.
Yes.
So I'm going to make a font size 18. Like here, I can give some ID to it. Why? Because using this ID, I can write name in between. How? Let me show you. Before opening it, right? What I'm doing? Before opening it, the hash and this. This will give you the object of span. Here we have span in the modal. So using this, what I'm selecting? Dollar hash means I am using this ID. So this will, or you can use document.get element by ID also. Then I'm saying in between I want to write some data. What I want to write? Hey JSON, from this data I want to write the name. What is the benefit? If you refresh it and open Madal, you see the name over here. How it is coming? So here, if you want to give the label, so you can give the label also, like name, to make it beautiful. Now it will show you. No, name equals to. Similarly, now your name is here like this, and you got a point, right? Similarly, here if you want to show what,
So the
here,
models you say it's something like a message box.
yeah, it is message box, and this is ready-made feature we have. Another I want to show P email, no? And if you want, you can change the color. इसको ना एक को नेट कर दो. It's fine. But how you can populate the value into it? Simple. Same fashion you can populate it. Na? P email. Yeah. P email. Na? Email. Are you with me? And here I can use data dot email. So this much is, you see how your modal is going to look like. You got a point? Hello.
Yes.
And
Yes.
after modal, last in modal, I'm going to just put a horizontal line. And here I want to show one image. SRC. And the ID, right? ID is C photo. But you know how I can show photo here dynamically? I know how. I'll show you. So here what I want to show you. Basically, I want to show you the photo, and that's credit card photo. This is last, no worry. I think we are good. Two photo I copy paste. Right? It's not coming. No. Again, I have to try. My bad luck. Bad luck. Control C. Then I'm able to do it. This photo. So anyway, this photo. So this photo I can hard code it, but I can set it on the fly as well. img slash. Let's see how my model looks like now. Actually, you can. Yesterday I did it, that's why I remember. Here you can see the width, and it was I think 440 or 4. I don't know. It was something like that. Oh, it's not working. No, it was 540, I guess. Hey, what I have to do? I don't know. Hey, what I do need to do is basically my intention is whatever information we have, and a debit card number, everything I want to write on this. So when you open it, uh, no, you open this. I'm telling you when you have to do it. Sorry, give me a second. Here, card. Card. Don't take tension. I'll do the rest of the thing tomorrow. Basically, what my intention is, guys, when I click on the generate card, right? So, whatever data you have on it, right? All those things, I'm going to write on it. That's my intention.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then here, whatever data is there, I'm going to write it dynamically. Now, and once this card is ready, I'm going to save it in database. That's my plan. I don't know. You understand what I'm trying to tell you. Here you need to write this credit card number and company name is there, right? So you can write the company name somewhere. SCL. Name of the people. Like my name is Nagendra, whatever. So you can write over here. You understand my intention, guys? This is the interesting. Nah? So when you click on it, everything will be. Then you can save it, right, on the server. Or first of all you generate it, then you save it. So I'm going to make another button. Warning. That's it. I'm done for today. But you need to understand my intention. Hey guys, you got it? First of all, you generate it. Once it's generated, then you can save it on the server. That's my plan. You guys are not replying. I don't know. You got this much or not? Hey,
Yes,
Ajax and
Yes,
some other thing. I know it is a lot. And go, you do practice and come with your problem. I want you to come with the problems, right? Like the way I'm doing. If you are able to do it, you can do anything because we are not doing simple job. But all these things only will come when you do yourself. Fine. Let me give you the code. Please do it. You are doing mini project. Simple. I'm going to push this code quickly. CD F colon git status git add git commit. What I have done today, Ajax to fetch data from REST API and design the pop-up. Done. Guys, I don't know. The problem with you people is either you understand everything, you don't have any problem at all. Second, it could be you have a problem, but you might not asking the questions. That's why during my session, no questions is coming to me, almost no questions. Only one or two questions is coming. I don't know the reason. So guys, do one thing. You go and try. Tomorrow, honestly, I'm telling you, I'll try to know really what I'm teaching you. You guys are understanding or not. 2 or 3 people. I
Okay,
want
sir.
this feedback. If you think I'm moving fast, let me know.
No, this one place is okay. Next we need some practice.
Okay. See, if whatever I'm teaching you, you understand. That's great. Practice, I can understand. Because without practice, nobody can understand. Because I know everything is new for you. Okay. Yeah, that's clear to me. That's clear. Anybody have any question query for me? Any question query? If you have, please let me know.
Hey Nagin, are we also gonna use the observable method like anytime?
Which method?
Promise and observable?
Yeah, we can use it. I haven't used it, right? So you can tell me.
Okay, so I just wanted to know what's the difference. Like, when do we use those two? Like,
Okay, you see, in JavaScript, observable and those things I have used, when I was using Angular, right? JavaScript I haven't come across. We can see it. Okay, you tell me. You talk about observable. That's it.
yeah.
Okay, I'll look into it. Okay.
All right.
There is a lot of thing in JavaScript. I'm telling you, this is very vast.
Okay.
But it's okay. We can try. Okay, not a problem.
Sounds good.
Any other question, query anybody has for me? Any other question, query? No? Ritesh, what about you? What's your situation? What I'm teaching you, you are able to grasp?
Yes, sir.
Hmm,
Mola
okay. So guys, you work on this, you do this much only and show me your progress tomorrow. I want it. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that's it for today. Enjoy your day. Bye bye. See you tomorrow then. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.